Ready to ditch the payroll headache and embrace effortless automation? Then let's dive into setting up Gusto Payroll, your all-in-one solution for paying your team accurately and on time. First, head over to Gusto.com and create your account, selecting the plan that best suits your business needs. Once you're logged in, Gusto will walk you through a series of setup steps. Begin by entering your company's legal name, address, and employer identification number, or EIN. Make sure you have these handy as accuracy is key here. Next, it's time to add your employees. You'll need their full name, home address, email, and social security number. Gusto uses secure encryption to protect this sensitive information. You'll also enter their compensation details, including salary or hourly rate and pay schedule. Now, let's set up your pay schedule. Choose how often you'll pay your employees: weekly, bi-weekly, semi-monthly, or monthly. Then, designate the specific pay dates. Gusto will automatically remind you to run payroll before each deadline. To finalize setup, connect your business bank account to Gusto. This is where the money will be drawn from to pay your employees. Gusto uses a secure connection to ensure your financial information is protected. They might ask you to verify the account before you can process payroll. And there you have it. With these steps completed, you're ready to run your first payroll with Gusto. Don't forget to explore other amazing features like benefits administration and time tracking to further streamline your HR processes.